Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First, I would like to thank Nazim Sahab and all my teachers for giving me this opportunity to speak in front of you. Today, I will speak about the aim of Dawat Islami. What does Dawat Islami want? But before this, I will tell you a story about Sayyidina Sheikh Abu Abdullah Hayat Rahmatullah Alayh. A fire worshipper used to have his clothes sewed by Sayyidina Sheikh Abu Abdullah Hayat Rahmatullah Alayh. And each time he would give a fake coin which he Rahmatullah Alayh accepted knowingly. Once in his absence, his student did not take the coin from that fire worshipper. When Rahmatullah Alayh returned and got to know about the situation, he asked his student, "Why did you take the coin from that fire worshipper? For many years, he has been giving me a fake coin, which I always accepted from that, so that he would not give it to another Muslim brother." Dear Islamic brother, did you see our pious saints had the sincere feeling about respecting other Muslims? They used to wear even their personal laws just to save other strange Muslims. Every Islamic brother should make a habit of traveling with Madni Kafilas every month, filling their Madni Namat card and hand it over to the relevant responsible Islamic brother. With the blessing of doing so, Inshallah Azza wa Jalla.